Let's take a couple minutes and we'll walk through the AM/FM tuner section on Pioneer's AVH-280BT. We're on the USB source right now, so let's switch to the AM/FM radio source. I can do that a couple of different ways. First, I can choose my drop-down menu, and I could choose radio here. That takes me to the AM/FM radio. Or if I want, I can touch the home button, and I can choose the radio source here. Once we're on the AM/FM radio, we have a bunch of information on the screen here. We're told that we're on FM band number 1 with 6 radio station presets. We can switch to the AM band here. We're on frequency 89.3 here, and we have our radio station presets on the side, and we can open the window and look at that if we want. Let's see. We'll start off with tuning in a new radio station. To tune to the next available radio frequency, just touch the arrow button here, and that takes you to 89.5, 89.7, and we can go back down with that as well. To tune into the next radio station or the radio broadcast, you can press and hold the arrow for a couple of seconds, then let go, and it will seek to the next available radio station. To create a radio station preset, we'll just tune in our favorite radio station, and then we can choose a number over here from the 6 radio station presets, and we can do that with the window closed or open. And we will make 89.3 as radio station preset number 2. Just press and hold for a couple of seconds till it beeps. Once it beeps, 89.3 is locked in as radio station preset number 2, and that is on FM band number 1. When we have the radio station preset window open, we have a couple of different ways to change to the other bands. We're on FM number 1 right here. Now, if we touch this, we go to FM band number 2, and you can see we have 2 of 3 displayed there. And we can scroll down there to see 3 of 3, or touch here to go to FM 3 of 3. Touch it one more time, and you're back around to FM band number 1. So you have a total of 18 FM radio station presets. If we touch over here, we get the AM radio station presets, and we have 6 radio station presets available on AM. Let's go back to FM number 1 now, and we're going to use the BSM function, or Best Station Memory function. We'll touch that, and when we do that, SuperTuner will scan through the entire FM spectrum and lock in the 6 strongest radio stations that you're receiving right now. This is great for a road trip when the radio stations become weak. We can hit the BSM button and have the system find 6 strong radio stations for us. Let's close up the window here, and we can now touch our radio station presets to change through them if we want. We can also use the arrow buttons here to change our radio station presets. Let's touch the gears over here and look at one of the functions on the AM/FM tuner. We'll go to the toolbox here and choose our AV source settings. And under radio settings, we have the local setting, and right now local setting is switched off. Let's open that window. Right now local is switched off, and we can switch it to local level number 1, 2, 3, or 4. And local is a filter to filter out weak radio stations. When we use the local setting on number 1, some of the weak radio stations will be filtered out when we seek to the next available radio station. If we switch up to local level number 4, now only the very strongest radio stations that are available to us as we're driving will be there when we use the seek function. We'll leave that on local level number 4 right now and press the X to escape.